Have you ever looked at your bank account and felt a sinking feeling? Not out of lack of funds, but out of a deep, unsettling realization that no matter how much you earn, your relationship with money hasn't fundamentally changed. You're not alone. But by choosing to watch this video, you've already taken a step that sets you apart. You're special for watching this video, because it signifies your readiness to challenge those deep-seated money beliefs and transform them into a powerful wealth mindset. Welcome to your daily dose of wealth wisdom. If you've been with us through our journey, you might remember our dive into the world of old money beliefs in the previous video. If not, I encourage you to check it out. It sets the stage for what we're about to embark on today. Our financial health is often a reflection of our internal narratives about money. These narratives, these old money beliefs, have been handed down to us, not just through our immediate family, but through generations, creating a blueprint for how we view and interact with money. But what if I told you that the power to redraw that blueprint lies within you? That by adopting what I like to call a bit of strategic dishonesty with ourselves about these outdated beliefs, we can begin to carve out a new, prosperous financial path. Today, we're not just talking about money. We're talking about freedom. The freedom to make choices that align with our deepest desires, the freedom from the invisible shackles that have held us back financially, and the freedom to embrace a future where our wealth grows not just in our bank accounts, but in our minds and spirits. Imagine the future, a future where you're not just surviving but thriving. And this journey, it starts with a single step. A step towards questioning, challenging, and ultimately changing those old money beliefs into something vibrant, something alive, a wealth mindset. So if you're ready to take that step, to dive deep and truly transform your financial destiny, make sure you watch till the end. Join us as we unravel the secrets to shedding those outdated beliefs and nurturing a mindset that attracts abundance. Before we begin, make sure to comment yes to join our community and receive a heart, because today is the day you start writing a new financial story. Just comment yes and welcome once again to your transformation. It all begins in the mind. Yes, the cliche rings true, especially when it comes to building wealth. But let's push beyond the surface of this well-worn saying to uncover the layers beneath. Why is a wealth mindset so transformative? It's because it shifts our focus from what we lack to the abundance we can create. This is not about mere positive thinking. It's about changing the very fabric of our financial reality. A wealth mindset isn't developed overnight. It's cultivated through daily practices, through the stories we tell ourselves about money, success, and what we believe we deserve. It requires a dash of strategic dishonesty with our old selves, questioning and ultimately rewriting those deep-seated beliefs that have limited our financial growth. Wealthy individuals think differently about money. Where some see barriers, they see opportunities. Where others perceive risk, they identify potential. This isn't about reckless optimism, but a calculated approach to financial decision-making based on confidence, knowledge, and a clear understanding of one's goals and values. Embrace self-education as your pathway to prosperity and subscribe to this channel and to your daily dose of wealth wisdom. Our daily videos on money mindset and financial psychology are designed to empower your journey toward financial freedom. Educating yourself about personal finance, investment strategies, and economic principles is crucial. Knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions, mitigate risks, and seize opportunities that align with your vision of success. How do you view money? Is it a source of stress, or is it a tool for creating the life you want? Transforming your relationship with money is a cornerstone of the wealth mindset. It involves respecting money, understanding its value, and using it wisely to build a future that reflects your deepest aspirations. Imagine for a moment the future you desire. Can you see it? Good. Now let's talk about making it your reality. Make sure you watch till the end to learn how to align your financial behaviors with the wealth mindset and take concrete steps towards that future. Let's look at 4 practical steps to shift your mindset. 1. Affirmations and visualizations. Start your day by affirming your ability to create wealth and visualize your financial goals as already achieved. This practice sets a positive tone for your day and reinforces your wealth mindset. 2. Financial goal setting. Define clear, achievable financial goals. Break them down into actionable steps. This clarity transforms abstract desires into tangible targets. 3. Learning from mentors. Seek out mentors who embody the wealth mindset. Their journey can offer valuable lessons and inspire you to pursue your financial goals with renewed vigor. 4. Community engagement. Join communities like this that foster financial literacy and empowerment. Sharing knowledge and experiences can accelerate your growth and strengthen your resolve. Wealth builders know the power of shared knowledge. Hit like on this video to spread the wisdom further and empower others on their path to financial freedom. By embracing these practices, you're not just dreaming about wealth, you're actively constructing the reality you've envisioned. In navigating the path to wealth, remember, the journey is as significant as the destination. Each step you take reshapes your relationship with money and propels you toward a future where financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's your reality. The journey towards building a wealth mindset is deeply personal, yet universally applicable. It demands an honest look at your current financial habits and the courage to transform them. As we delve into the strategies that can guide this transformation, remember, the most potent tool at your disposal is your ability to learn and adapt. Strategy 1. Cultivate financial literacy. Part of building a wealth mindset is self-education. It's impossible to overstate the importance of financial literacy in wealth building. Understanding the basics of budgeting, investing, and saving is foundational. But don't stop there. Dive deep into topics that interest you, whether it's real estate, stocks, cryptocurrencies, or entrepreneurship. Knowledge is power, and in the realm of wealth building, it's the power to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Strategy 2. Set smart financial goals. Goal setting is critical in the wealth building process. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. This clarity transforms dreams into attainable objectives. Start by setting short-term goals that lead to long-term aspirations. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, investing in your education, or starting a business, clear goals act as a roadmap to success. Strategy 3. Embrace risk and learn from failure. Wealth building involves calculated risks. The fear of failure often holds us back from taking the necessary steps to achieve our financial goals. Remember, every failure is a lesson learned. Embrace risks, and when setbacks occur, analyze them to understand what went wrong and how you can improve. This resilience is a hallmark of a wealth mindset. Strategy 4. Network and learn from successful people. Surround yourself with people who embody the wealth mindset you aspire to. Networking is not just about making connections, it's about learning from those who have already achieved what you aim for. Attend workshops, join online forums, and participate in community events focused on financial empowerment. Wealthy people believe in sharing knowledge, so like this video to help it reach more people and enrich our community with your journey. Strategy 5. Practice gratitude and generosity. A wealth mindset is not just about accumulating wealth, but also about giving back. Practicing gratitude and generosity enriches your life and those around you. It reinforces the abundance mindset, attracting more wealth into your life. Consider how you can use your resources, time, knowledge, money, to make a positive impact. Remember, building a wealth mindset is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous growth, learning, and adaptation. Now pay close attention. Adopting a wealth mindset is just the beginning. Enduring success requires resilience through setbacks. It's crucial you stay with us to the very end, not only to grasp the full spectrum of strategies, but also to learn the essential skills for navigating challenges. This knowledge is vital, so don't miss out on mastering how to turn obstacles into stepping stones for your financial journey. The path to transforming your financial life is not without its hurdles. Whether it's unexpected financial crises, investment losses, or simply the struggle to change long-standing habits, challenges are an integral part of the growth process. But remember, the wealth mindset isn't just about enjoying the good times. It's about how you stand firm and grow during the tough times. Now let's explore the 4 essential strategies designed to arm you with the resilience to overcome setbacks and continue forging your path to financial success. Strategy 1. Expect and plan for setbacks. Anticipating challenges doesn't mean being pessimistic. It's about being realistic and prepared. Part of building a resilient wealth mindset involves creating financial buffers, emergency funds that can help you navigate through tough times without derailing your long-term goals. This preparedness gives you the confidence to face setbacks head-on. Strategy 2. Learn from every setback. Every challenge carries a lesson. When faced with setbacks, take a step back and analyze what happened. What can you learn from this experience? How can it inform your future decisions? This reflective practice turns obstacles into opportunities for learning, ensuring that each step back is followed by 2 steps forward. Strategy 3. Seek support and build your community. You don't have to navigate your financial journey alone. Have you faced setbacks in your journey? Share your story in the comments. Engaging with others who are also committed to building a wealth mindset can provide encouragement, advice, and a sense of belonging. Strategy 4. Celebrate every victory, no matter how small. In the face of challenges, it's crucial to recognize and celebrate every win. Did you stick to your budget this month? Invest in your first stock? Pay off a debt? These milestones, no matter how small, signify your progress. Celebrating these victories reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated on your wealth-building journey. Developing a wealth mindset is as much about building financial resilience as it is about accumulating wealth. It's about developing the tenacity to push through the barriers, armed with the knowledge that each challenge is a stepping stone to greater success. Make sure you've watched till the end. Your future self will thank you for taking this step today. Yet embracing a wealth mindset is only the beginning. It's about laying the groundwork for a broader, more profound transformation in all aspects of your life. This brings us to an essential natural progression in our journey: cultivating a growth mindset. A growth mindset, the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work, is a powerful companion to the wealth mindset. It's about seeing challenges as opportunities to grow rather than insurmountable obstacles. This mindset doesn't just apply to financial success, but to every area of your life, from personal development to career advancement. Why should you be interested in a video about cultivating a growth mindset, especially after dedicating your time to understanding wealth building? Because the principles of a growth mindset are the very foundation upon which sustainable wealth is built. Without it, the strategies and mindsets we've discussed can only take you so far. A growth mindset pushes you to question what's next after achieving each milestone. It drives you to continually seek improvement, learning, and personal development. It encourages resilience, a crucial trait for navigating the ups and downs of financial growth. In essence, understanding and embracing a growth mindset ensures that the wealth you build is not only maintained, but also multiplied. As we embark on this continuous journey of growth, remember that the ultimate goal is not just financial independence, but a fulfilling life marked by constant learning and self-improvement. So, how do you cultivate a growth mindset? Stay tuned and subscribe for our next video, where we dive deep into the secret strategies that foster both personal and financial success.